welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a wig from AliPearl. It's a 16-inch loose wave that I think I'm going to cut into like a nice lob, a nice middle part lob. That's the vision right now. We're going to do this glueless with only gotta be spray. We're going to just bad boy off at night, you feel me? We're going to get into it like right now. I have already bleached and plucked my frontal, and there will be a video on this. I know a lot of people have asked me. I kind of changed my method up a little bit, and I don't take things as serious as I did before. So video on that coming soon, or before this video. There was a video on that's made. Don't know when it'll be yet. To prep for my install, I've already sprayed my even tinted lace spray, and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna just throw this bad boy on. I'm gonna briefly talk this through really quick before my blow dryer gets to getting loud and annoying and interrupting all that I have to say. So I'm going to use my Gotta Be spray, and I'm just going to spray on top of the lace and then blow dry it down with my cool setting to make sure it hardens up and it sticks down. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm done doing that finally, but y'all, I just want to say this wig is tight. I had to tug from one side to the other side, but you know, we made it work, but it is small. I'm going to go ahead and fix my middle part right away because that just pissed me off. Middle part's still not really in the middle to me, but you know, we can start cutting off our lace now. You guys have probably seen me do this a couple times. I just need to assume that everybody's a new person watching me. So maybe you didn't see me doing this before, but this is what I like to do, you feel me? I like to razor off my lace in sections when I'm raising it off to my head. Usually I like to razor off my lace before putting on my wigs, but that's usually when I'm gluing them down. So for these types of things, I like to just razor them off like this, using an up and down motion, making sure there's kind of zigzags created, if you can see that. There's like a zigzaggy line created, and what that does is just helps disguise the lace, because when your lace is just straight across, it's easier to see. I know it's probably bad, like visually talking about now, but when I do my little spray stuff after this, like we gonna see the vision. Okay. So I know I look a little wild right now, but it's okay because things are going pretty good. I'm gonna razor out some of this actually. Or I'm gonna get this covered. We don't need all of you. Okay, so now that my ear tabs are cut off, my ears are free. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying my Gotta Be spray once again on just the lace part, like the edge, and then start using my rat tail comb to make sure everything is laid down and melted. Okay, I think we're melted just enough to start doing my baby hair and fix my middle part again. Like, just still not in the middle. Middle part is officially in the middle now. It's time to go ahead and start doing my baby hair. And I'm gonna do it the usual way I do my baby hair, you know, you feel me? Like, nothing new, nothing different, nothing changed. I just like to pull out some hairs and then use my gel. I'm using my wet line like always. And I don't think I want you. And so I'll just use my gel to lay down the hairs and make sure it's like just enough hair or whatever. I think I do want you a lot. Okay. And then once I see what that looks like once I can imagine that being like what my baby hair looks like, I'll go ahead and cut it and drop my hot comb. But you don't have to do that step. It's totally optional. Okay. So go ahead and cut off the hairs. Just the fronts, I like to use the rest of the end of the baby hair to go back into the hair. And then you have to throw your fucking edge brush. It don't work unless you drop your hot comb and drop your edge brush. So I'll swoop my end of my baby hair in first so I can get that look that I'm going for, and then I'll adjust the front end. My baby hair is now laid. I gotta add some concealer to my part or I won't feel right. I don't really like put direct concealer on my part usually. I just use a leftover concealer from when I did my makeup. And just use my brush and just like rub it in. Boom. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair so I can get it back to this the loose wave state. And when I wet it, then I'm gonna cut it. Or do I want to cut it? Do I? This is kind of cute. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna cut it, but I might. I don't know. We'll see. I'll bring my camera down a little bit so you guys can see too. It's like, it's short and cute. Like, it's just short and cute. I'm really conflicted on if I'm gonna cut it or not. Like, so conflicted because I've been into like short hair lately, and this little I don't know what to do. I'm pulling out hairs, but it's only because I cut my ear tabs off like willy-nilly, like I didn't really like care. So that's what that is. But this is like so cute. I feel like okay. I'm cutting it. Okay, time to start spraying. This is my water bottle. I love this water bottle. It's the best water bottle from Sally's. It was $10. It was the best $10 I've spent on something in a long time. Go buy this water bottle. My goal isn't really to get it like wet, just like kind wet enough for me to like see the curls again. And I don't know where my brush went, so I'm gonna just use this comb. Okay, so I don't want it too short. I just want it like above my shoulders. And I'm gonna cut it a little longer because it's wet, and I'm assuming it's gonna get big. This. I think I cut very much off. I hope I like it. It's gonna be cute, I just know. But y'all really want me 30 inches. Tell these companies to send me 30 inches so I can slay it for y'all and show y'all what y'all would look like with the 30 inches. But as for now, let me get this straight here I don't like. I'm gonna get a couple of them actually. I don't want it's too blunt, but like some of them are just like being rude. Like you're not even with the program right now. Okay, period. Period. My baby hair looks so good. I feel like now my installs be looking so good that now I don't even want to take them off. Cause like, will I do just this good the next time? Who knows? I gotta fix my lips and then finish my TikTok. Y'all, I'm on TikTok. I'm gonna play the TikTok that I made from this like little shit after the video end, or right now, which I play right now. I play it right now. Watch my fucking TikTok. I literally can't even share this 15-second of Beyonce without getting copyrighted. I'm not making any money from this video, so I'm finna sing it for y'all. Hold up, bring the beat back. Bum 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 bum. Stop. I ain't ready yet. Boom 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 boom. Wait, let me fix my hair. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Okay, so I just finished recording it for real. So, alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't I look so natural? I just woke up like this. And really quick before I do my like real outro, I want to show what the hair looks like dry, because you know people always show what the hair look like wet. They don't look like what they don't show what it look like dry. So here I am showing you it dry all the way, looking good. Like I said. Okay, back to the video. I just took a shower and I wet my hair, and then I came out of the shower and here I am. Okay, enough of me. I'm so glad I finally feel like I look good, because this virus had me looking in the house looking like who did it and why. So I'm glad to finally look like I have some sense. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys at home are staying safe, stay quarantined, wash them fucking hands, drink your vitamin C. You know, I love y'all. Let's beat this shit. See you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.